Traveling by train can be a fun and convenient way to get around, especially if you are going on a long journey. But it's not always the most comfortable experience, especially if you are not used to it. So, here are some tips to make your train ride as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. Get a good seat when you are walking your train ticket. Take a look at the seating map and try to choose a seat that will be comfortable for you. Wear comfortable clothes. What you wear can make all the difference in whether or not you enjoy your train ride. If you're going to be sitting for long periods, you want to be sure you are wearing clothes that don't cause you to feel uncomfortable. Loose-fitting clothes are always a good choice as they will allow you to move around and adjust your position as needed. Bring food and drinks if you are traveling on a long train ride. It's important to ensure you are well hydrated and have enough food to eat. Well, there are usually food and drink options on the train. They can be expensive and